In the world of heavy haulage, there are trucks, and then there are legends. Some machines are built simply to move cargo from point A to point B, but others are built to move the world. Welcome to a comprehensive look at the undisputed king of the road, the Volvo FH16. For decades, the FH16 has stood at the very top of the food chain. It is the flagship of Volvo Trucks, a machine that combines raw, unadulterated power with the sophistication of a luxury sedan. It is the truck you choose when the load is heavy, the hills are steep, and failure is simply not an option. But what makes this specific truck an icon? Is it just the massive engine? Is it the Swedish design? Or is it the technology hidden beneath the metal? Today, we are going to find out. We will explore every inch of this beast, from the massive D16 engine to the living quarters that redefine driver comfort. Buckle up. This is the Volvo FH16. Let's start with what you see first, the design. The FH16 doesn't just look like a truck, it looks like a predator. Volvo has always prioritized a design philosophy that balances aesthetics with aerodynamics. Look at the front grille. In the FH16, it features a unique silver frosted finish, a subtle nod to its premium status, distinguishing it from the standard FH models. The vertical lines are bold, guiding the air around the cab to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. And then, the eyes of the beast. These are Volvo's signature V-shaped LED headlights. But they aren't just for show. They feature adaptive high-beam technology. The camera and radar systems detect oncoming traffic and automatically shut off specific segments of the LED high beam. This means you get maximum visibility without blinding other drivers. It is engineering brilliance in its purest form. Every curve you see here serves a purpose. The panel gaps are minimized. The mirrors are slimmed down or replaced with camera monitoring systems in newer models to cut through the wind. Even the steps are integrated seamlessly. It is a massive vehicle, yes, but it slices through the air with surprising grace. Now let's talk about the reason we are all here. The powerhouse, the heart of the FH16. Underneath this cab lies the legendary D16K engine. This is a 16-liter, 6-cylinder engineering marvel. While other trucks struggle to maintain speed on an incline, the FH16 barely breaks a sweat. Depending on the configuration, this engine pushes out anywhere from 550 to a staggering 750 horsepower. And recently, Volvo has pushed the boundaries even further with the new 780 horsepower variants. But horsepower is only half the story. In the world of trucking, torque is king. And the FH16 offers up to 3,550 Newton meters of torque. What does that mean in the real world? It means instant pulling power. Whether you are hauling timber in the forests of Scandinavia, heavy machinery in the Australian outback, or shipping containers across the Alps, this engine delivers power smoothly and consistently. It allows for high average speeds, meaning you get the job done faster. And despite this massive power, Volvo has engineered it to be efficient. With the iSave technology and turbo compound engines, it extracts every ounce of energy from the fuel, ensuring that high power doesn't necessarily mean high waste. Controlling all that power requires a transmission that can think faster than a human. Enter the iShift, the Volvo. iShift is widely considered the best automated manual transmission in the industry. It doesn't just change gears, it reads the road. Using GPS data and topography maps, the IC software predicts hills and curves ahead, selecting the perfect gear before you even reach the incline. And for the FH16, which often handles super heavy loads, you can equip it with crawler gears. These allow the truck to start from a standstill with loads of up to 325 tons. It can crawl at speeds as low as 0.5 kilometers per hour. This gives the driver ultimate control when maneuvering in tight construction sites or slippery conditions. We cannot forget Volvo Dynamic Steering, or VDS. This system adds an electric motor to the hydraulic steering gear. The result? You can steer this massive truck with a single finger. It filters out bumps and potholes, so the steering wheel doesn't kick back. It reduces driver fatigue massively. After an 8-hour shift, your shoulders don't ache. That is the Volvo difference. For a long-haul driver, the truck isn't just a vehicle. It is a workplace, a dining room, and a bedroom. Welcome inside the Globetrotter XL cab. Stepping inside the FH16 feels less like climbing into a truck and more like entering a first-class airline suite. The materials are premium: leather finishes, soft-touch plastics, and that distinct FH16 embroidery. The driver interface is fully digital. You have a 12-inch high-resolution instrument display that puts all vital information right in front of you. To the side, a 9-inch touchscreen controls navigation, media, and camera views. It is intuitive, like a modern smartphone. And when the driving is done, you have a living space designed for rest. The bed is wide and features a pocket spring mattress. The sound insulation is world-class. Once you close the door, the noise of the outside world disappears. With ample storage, a built-in fridge, and a microwave, it offers a level of independence and comfort that makes weeks on the road bearable, even enjoyable. Finally, we must talk about safety. It is the core DNA of the Volvo brand. The FH16 is packed with guardian angels. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go makes traffic jams effortless. The lane-keeping support alerts you if you drift. And the emergency brake system can detect a stationary object and bring this 40-ton beast to a complete halt if the driver fails to react. The cabin structure itself is crash-tested to Sweden's barrier test standards, the toughest in the world. In an FH16, you are in the safest hands possible. So, what is the verdict? The Volvo FH16 is not for everyone. It is overkill for simple deliveries. It is a premium tool for premium tasks. It combines the brute force of a locomotive with the intelligence of a supercomputer and the comfort of a luxury lounge. It is a testament to what happens when engineers refuse to compromise. For those who haul the heaviest loads over the longest distances on the toughest roads, there is only one choice: the Volvo FH16, the king of the road. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.